Good morning, students. Today in this session, we are going to learn about expressions with variables. Children, we have seen expressions like 2m, comma 3y, comma 2s plus 1, comma 3s plus 1, etc. So in the earlier discussion, and those expressions are obtained by using operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of variables. For example, the expression p minus 3. The expression p minus 3 is formed by subtracting 3 from the variable p. For example, one more expression, and the expression 8p. For example, 8p. That means what? Here 8p is formed by the multiplying the variable p by 8. Multiplying the variable p by 8. So we know that variable can take different values. Variable nothing but a, b, c, x, comma y, comma z, etc. These are variables. The variables can take different values. Variable may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. And they have no fixed value, but they are numbers. That is why operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division can be done on them. For example, n divided by 7. N divided by 7. Divided by 7. So how we can write algebra expressions? How we can write algebra expression? Simple. N by 7. This is the algebra expression where n is variable. Where n is variable. Like that, one more example. Rupees 5 more than what Geeta has. Rupees 5 is more than what Geeta has. What Geeta has. So how we can write in algebra expression? Simple here. Here we have to, Geeta has rupees y. Geeta has rupees y. Okay. Therefore, here what? Rupees 5 is more than what Geeta has. Geeta has, we don't know. So let it be y. So therefore, this algebra expression y plus 7. Y plus 7 is the algebraic expression. So like that, we can write statement using expression. For example, write a statement for the following expressions. So we have to write a statement for the following expression. For example, see 2p is there. Write the expression for the following statement. What is 2p? Solution. Raju has twice the money than Seema. Raju has twice the money than Seema. Twice means what? 2p. Okay. And 7 plus x is the one more expression. Second one, 7 plus x. 7 plus expression is there. I have 7 marbles more than Dilip. I have 7 marbles more than Dilip. More than Dilip. So this is nothing but 7 plus x is the statement. So like that we can do so many examples. So one more example thing is exercise 9.2, my dear children. In exercise 9.2, you observe that, see, q is multiplied by 5. Q is multiplied by 5. Q is multiplied by 5. How will you write, children? Simple. Q is multiplied by 5 means what? Very simple answer. 5q. Q is multiplied by 5. So Q is multiplied by 5. What is the answer now? Simple. 5. 5 is the answer. Q is multiplied by 5. And one more thing is, second one what? Y is divided by 5. Y is sorry, y is divided by 4. How will write y divided by 4? Y by 4. Y by 4. Y by 4 statement. And one more thing is 1/4 of the product of number p and q. 1/4 of the product of number p and q means what? The product of p and q. What is the product of p and q? Product of p and q is equal to what? PQ. P into q. PQ. 1/4 means what? That implies 1/4 PQ. 1/4 PQ or PQ by 4. PQ by 4. Like that you have to write. Now, fourth one. 5 is added to the 3 times z. 5 is added to the 3 times of z. So 5 is added. 5 is added. 5 is added. 5 is added to the 3 times z. To the 3 times. 3 times z. Simple. What solution? 3 times of z equal to what? 3 times of z equal to 3z. Then 5 is added means what? Simple. 3z plus 5. 3z plus 5. 3z plus 5. Next, fifth one. 9 times n is added to 10. 9 times n is added to 10. This is also very simple. 9 times n is added to 10. Simple here. Very simple. What is the answer now? 9n plus 10. 9n plus 10. Because 9 times n is added to 10. 9n plus 10. And next one. 16 is subtracted from 2 times y. 16 is subtracted from 2 times of y. Simple here. 16 is subtracted. Simple answer. 2y minus 16. 2y minus 16. And last one. Y is multiplied by 10. That is 10y. Y is multiplied by 10. 10y. And x is added to the product. 10y plus x. That's all. 10y plus x. This is the statement. So like that we have to write the statement when the expressions are given. Okay. Now write the statements each for the following expressions. Statements we have to write now. Y minus 11 is there, for example. Y minus 11 is the expression is there. This is expression. This is expression. Then how to write statement? Simple here. In a class, y students, I am just having an example. In a class, y students, 11 students failed in the examination. 11 students failed the examination. In a class, y students, 11 students failed in the examination. Find the number of passed students. That's all. Find the number of false, that is y minus 11. Second one, 10a. 10a is there. Second one, 10a. 10a means what? The sum of two numbers is y. If the number of is, for example, it says the cost of 1 pen is rupees 10. What is the cost of such pens? So, my dear children, very simple. 10a. Okay. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 10. And what is the cost of such pens? This is what? 10a. And third one, x by 5. The cost of books, the cost of 5 books is x. Then what is the cost of 1 book? That is x by 5. Then what is the next one? 3m plus 11. 3m plus 11. Add 11 to 3 times of m. Add 11 to 3 times of m. And next one, 2y minus y minus 5. 2y minus 5. So here the length of a room is 11 more than 3 times of its breadth, say m. And last last one. Apko, that is the last one. Subtracts 5 from 2 and the age of B is 5 less than 2 times of the age of A. What is the age of B? So this is the statements when the expressions are given. We have to do this. Okay, children. Almost to 9-point exercise, half of the exercise completed. The remaining only word problems are there. 3, 4, 5 word problems are there. Those word problems I'll tell you, or I'll solve it. I'll send to your WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.